So long. How about this one? Too long, too advanced. So before you learn longer and more advanced Korean expressions like these, learn these short yet versatile phrases first that you can use for various purposes. Here are the phrases that I want to show you. Let's learn how to use them. So the first one is 네. Listen again. 네. 네. It basically means yes, but it can also mean okay or I got it.
한국어 할 줄 아세요?
네. 내일 3시에 만나요.
네. 이거는 이렇게 하시면 돼요.
아, 네.
And you can also use 네 as a question when you are surprised or taken aback. Like, what? 네?
Do you like do you?
네?
Now the second one is 돼요. Listen again. 돼요. 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 돼요 is from 되다, which in the dictionary form means to become or to turn into 되다. But in real life situations, it often means it works or it's okay to do something.
와이파이 돼요?
네, 돼요. 저 집에 가도 돼요?
안 돼요.
Like this, it can mean can or may when you use it in the form of so-and-so 해도 돼요. And if you add 안 in front of it, 안, it becomes either it doesn't work or it's not okay to do so-and-so or don't do it.
이거 왜 안 돼요?
이제 돼요.
And when you're talking about time, 돼요 can even mean to be free or to be available.
내일 시간 돼요?
내일 시간 안 돼요.
내일 시간 돼요?
내일 시간 돼요.
And before we move on to the third expression, my name is Hyunwoo and you're watching Talk to Me in Korean. Thank you. And to learn Korean really, really well, you need a structure and system. And we offer it on our website at talktomeinkorean.com. Start your 7-day free trial now. Link is in the description. Now, let's move on to the third one. We have 괜찮아요. Once again, 괜찮아요. 괜찮아요. 괜찮다. 괜찮다 means to be okay, and 괜찮아요 in the present tense form, it means it's okay or I'm okay.
괜찮아요?
괜찮아요.
And depending on the context, it can also even mean that something is good.
과자 맛있어요?
네, 이 과자 진짜 괜찮아요.
All right, we've now looked at 3 expressions so far. Remember what they are? 네, 돼요, and 괜찮아요. One more time. 네, 돼요, and 괜찮아요. And here's the fourth one. 맞아요. Listen again. 맞아요. 맞아요. It means it's correct or that's right. You can either use it after 네 to say yes, that's right. Like 네, 맞아요. Or you can add it after a noun to mean it's correct that it's so and so. For example, 여기 맞아요. This is the right place. 여기 맞아요. Or 이거 저 맞아요. Looking at a picture. 이거 저 맞아요. Yes, this one is me. Or looking at a picture or video, once again, 이거 저 맞아요? Are you sure this is me? 이거 저 맞아요? And finally, we have 아니에요. 아니에요. Once again, 아니에요. It means it's not so and so. 저 아니에요. It's not me. 이거 아니에요. It's not this one. 이거 물 아니에요. This is not water. 저 아니에요. 이거 아니에요. 이거 물 아니에요. And this 아니에요 also has a very important usage because whenever someone says 감사합니다 to you, which means thank you, 감사합니다, you can say 아니에요, 아니에요 to mean you're welcome or don't mention it. In this case, by saying 아니에요, you're basically saying it is not something that you should thank me for.
감사합니다.
아니에요.
So what do you think? Do you think you can use these in your next interaction with a Korean speaker? Practice saying these and you will continue improving. And to practice your Korean skills and interact with other learners and with us, please join our online community. I'll put the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our website. 감사합니다. Bye.